Today I am going to explain what post determiners are and its types. Post determiners are a part of determiners that are placed before a noun to indicate which person or thing we are talking about. Now see, post determiners follow predeterminers or central determiners. It means if the post determiner, the predeterminer, or the central determiner are all present in the sentence, then we place the post determiner in the last or just before the noun. Under type A of post determiners, we have cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. Under type B of post determiners, we have ordinal numerals and general ordinals. Ordinal numerals include first, second, third, etc. Whereas general ordinals include items like next, last, past, additional, further, other, and another. So we can say that general ordinals include items that are not related to numbers. Number 1. Example. C possesses two cars. Here 2 is an example of cardinal numbers, and C we can see that this has been placed before a noun. Second example, the police came here for further investigation. Here we can see that further, which is an example of general ordinal, has also been placed before a noun. In the third example, which is he is the first person who won this competition, here also we see that the word first, which is an example of ordinal numerals, has also been placed before a noun. Now, under type C of post determiners, we have closed class quantifiers. Closed class quantifiers are a category of words that does not readily admit new members. It means to this class it is not easy to insert new members. Under closed class quantifiers, we have the following examples. Number one, many, few, a few, and several that co-occur only with plural count nouns. It means these we can use only with plural countable nouns. For example, there were many mistakes in your essay. I saw only a few people in the market. If I knew, I would call several students. She did very few mistakes in her letter writing. Here we can see that many, a few, several, and few all have been placed before plural countable nouns. Now, much, little, a little. These are also the examples of closed class quantifiers, and these occur only with non count nouns. Previously, whatever examples I had given to you, those also belong to closed class quantifiers, but they can be used only with plural countable noun, and these like much, little, and a little, which also belong to closed class quantifiers, but they occur only with non countable nouns. For example, she hasn't got much money. She needed a little sugar for her coffee. Here we can see that much and a little both have been placed before non countable noun. There is one thing important to note that much is typically used in a non assertive sentence, but in an assertive sentence, we usually use a lot of. So, we don't have much time, okay, but we have a lot of time, or we have plenty of time, or we have lots of time. We cannot say we have much time because much is used in a non assertive sentence. Now, under type D of post determiners, we have open class quantifiers. Open class quantifiers are a category of words that normally accepts the new items. It means it is easy or it is possible to insert new items to this class. Examples are plenty of and lots of. These are the examples of open class quantifiers, and these we use with non-countable noun as well as plural countable nouns. For example, the room contained plenty of students or furniture. It means plenty of, which is an example of open class quantifiers, can be used with non count and plural count nouns. Second example, the class contains lots of students or furniture. It means the phrase lots of we can use with both non countable noun and plural countable noun. But with these group of words like a great deal of, a good deal of, a large quantity of, a small amount of, we can use only non-count nouns. It means we can use only non-countable nouns after these group of words. For example, the chest contains a large quantity of or a large a great deal of money. Yes, so we can see that a large quantity of or a great deal of both have been used before a non countable noun, that is money. But with a great number of, a large number of, and a good number of, we use plural count nouns. Means after these group of words, we can use plural countable noun. For example, the hall contained a great number of or a good number of students. Means with a great number of or a good number of, we can use plural countable noun, and that's all.